What you doing, girls? What you doing? We've been busy today. Look at, we're digging holes, working hard. Must be the compost pile is bringing to life bugs inside because we're looking hard for them. Please excuse the messy garden. Just how it is. Oh, did you steal her hole? Poor little Brahma. She had to go find a new hole. Good girl. I don't know. I just came out and they were all very busy. Working very hard. That's what we like to see, huh? I love it when you can barely see their feet or their heads when they go down. What is the matter? This Brahma is very noisy. So this is how we work compost, huh, girls? You're working. Good job. Get it. Get the bugs. Find them. Look at that big Brahma starts a hole, and then the other two come over and run her off, and then they go find the bugs. You two are terrible. Lazy little things. You're making her do all the work. Stinkers. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You just stole her hole.